Hello friends! ICM photography, it's like painting dreams with your camera. And here is the exciting part. You need to predict your results to make the most of it. So join me on this adventure as we unravel the secrets behind why predicting outcomes in ICM photography is the key to unlocking its full potential. First and foremost, consider this primary reason: artistic control. Imagine the scenario. You find yourself before a beautiful landscape and want to capture that moment's very essence. When you have a clear idea of how your final picture should look, it's like having a magic wand that lets you control the whole creative process. With this, you can carefully create your perfect photo to match your unique creative style and vision. The second reason revolves around the concept of consistency. Imagine you are working on a photography project or creating a cohesive body of work. If you can predict how your ICM photos will turn out, it helps make sure they all look similar. This is super important when you want your photos to tell a clear story or be part of a bigger project. The last thing you would want is one photo in a series to look drastically different. Let's now delve into the third reason: learning and improvement. When it comes to predicting outcomes, it's not just about getting the shot right. It's also about honing your skills and constantly getting better. Anticipating results forces you to pay closer attention to your technique and settings. This heightened awareness, in turn, expedites your learning curve and fosters continuous improvement in your ICM skills over time. Think of it as a journey where every photo taken is a step towards mastery. Reason number 4: enhance efficiency. When you have a general idea of the outcome, you can make on-the-fly modification to settings, fine-tune your composition, and adjust camera movement to bring your vision to life within the camera frame. This translates to a reduced need for extensive image manipulation on your computer, allowing you to dedicate more time to what you are truly passionate about, capturing those amazing moments as they unfold before your lens. Let's now delve into the fifth reason: storytelling. Photography is far more than just capturing aesthetically pleasing images. It's a powerful medium for storytelling. Predicting your results plays a pivotal role in harmonizing the visual components within your photograph with the specific message you aim to communicate. Achieving this elevates your shot, making it visually appealing, deeply impactful, and meaningful. In essence, storytelling through photography adds layers of significance to your work. It establishes a connection between your audience and your art that goes beyond the surface. As you can see, predicting results when using intentional camera movement, it's not just important, it's a game changer. So get out there, experiment, and don't be afraid to embrace the unpredictability of ICM. Remember, practice makes perfect. And with each click of the shutter, you are one step closer to becoming a true ICM master. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any tips or experiences related to ICM photography that you would like to share? Leave it in a comment below, and let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your photography friends. And as always, keep capturing those magical moments with your camera. Until next time, happy shooting!